The speed limit, I wasn't even driving fast.
It's actually dangerous.
I don't understand what you're talking about. Hello, what should I do? Hello, lady, hello. Hold on.
Support criticism as video surface of S.P.I.C.E being harassed by cops in the United States. Many are believing this is a shoot of an upcoming music video. What do you think? Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So there is a viral video now circulating online of S.P.I.C.E being harassed by some American police officers, which has triggered much criticism and also triggered much speculation whether or not this was actually real or this was actually some form of a music video being created for her upcoming album in order to create that buzz around her album. Some social media users are claiming that it is in real life, while others are adamant that it's the content point of a music video. This is after a video with the title "Racial Profiling is Real" was posted on a social media page of the international dancehall artist S.P.I.C.E, showing what appears to be police officers in United States police uniform questioning her during a traffic stop and later attempting to place a handcuff on her child. The video has triggered a firestorm of conversation online. Social media users have expressed mixed views after viewing the video, with some arguing that if it is real life experience, they are demanding justice for the artist, arguing that the situation would have highlighted the ongoing issue of what they claim is racial profiling in the US. Other users have argued based on some of the contents of the video, they believe it is fake, and if so, they have criticized the artist for placing her child in a situation that many other black people face in real life settings daily.
The speed limit, I wasn't even driving fast.
It's actually dangerous.
I don't understand what you're talking about. Hello, what should I do? Hello, lady, hello. Hold on. Ease for please. Hold on. What you do?
One social media user wrote, and I quote, "S.P.I.C.E really take up herself go do that when her black boy picnic can get shoot up in real life," asks the social media user. Many people believe that this is actually a hoax and that this is actually an insight of an upcoming music video, with many speculating that S.P.I.C.E is gearing up to release her album. In 2018, S.P.I.C.E reportedly released a number of fake bleaching photos of herself and later issued a statement to clear up the controversy over the photos, which had been appearing significantly lighter in complexion than normal. She explained on Instagram that she had doctored the photos and never actually bleached her skin, claiming that the act was done to call attention to the colorism among black people, saying, "I choose to do this because I believe colorism is plagiarizing our black community." What do you think about this? Do you support S.P.I.C.E move in this new latest video that is circulating on social media? And what do you think about it? Drop it in the comment section. I look forward to hear your response. This has been Links 007 TV, and thanks for watching for Celebrity Scoop. Once more, signing out.